on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for watching another one. I have something to show you guys. I don't really know how to bring it to attention, but my dream has come true. My dream has come true. I have a lot of people to thank, but let me just shut up and I'm gonna show you.
Look at me with the beat, I'm just riding it. There's thoughts in Bears world. Hey. All these thoughts in my head, I just ride with it. Getting high till you slide, then we spark and shit. All the time, baby, I think I might die with this. All the time, baby, I think I might die with this. All these thoughts in my head, I just ride with it. Getting high till you slide.
So there it is, guys. Yes, I purchased my dream car, Nissan 350Z. This is an 06 DE Rebel. Yeah. This is an early birthday present because my birthday will be Wednesday. This will be uploaded by Monday, hopefully, because it is a Saturday. So by Monday, hopefully. So let's bet on that. So I'm here with my guys. My guy Hunter. Oh, you're
I'm doing so weird.
OG Brian.
What's going on, guys?
He's doing some polishing. That's what he's doing over here. Fucking Malik.
Don't introduce me like that. Yo, disrespect.
my dude Malik right here, he's like the other black guy in the group, you feel me?
I'm the only other black guy in the group.
Yeah, pretty much.
Like,
so we're out here.
I was a token, you know that, right?
We just came from the dealership and we stopped by to get some food and here we are. So he just polished my hood. Looks freaking great. You know, it looks great. He's doing his right now.
I'm just going to use the micro.
Warehouse clearance center. Outlet for stores for wholesale.
No advertising. What'd you say it was called again?
There's the wax that I use. Car enthusiasts. They can say what they want. I love it. Mother's Carnauba wax. It's a great brand. Pretty halfway decent pricing for it.
Oh
so
yeah, bro.
a bottle can last you for a little bit. Doesn't take much. Just a little bit of hard work and elbow grease.
Look at that reflection.
Put it in the trunk.
So as you guys know, I waited so long to get this car. I put in a lot of hours, saved up a lot of money, and here she is. So it's got some minor scratches, a little bit of body work to be done. Got to switch out some brakes, some window motors, stuff like that. Other than that, this thing is pretty mint. 80,000 on the dash. What else? Other than that, you guys pretty much know everything. I have a lot of stuff coming for this car, which is probably not going to start until about next year. I'll probably have little stuff here and there, but as of right now, it's going to stay stock. Turn it on! Oh, that pure VQ engine, bro. Give it a little Give it a little Malik. A little more. Oof, I'm in love. I'm in love, my God. Bro, what? This is such a dream come true, bro. Such a dream come true. Sheesh. But that was pretty loud for it to be a stock exhaust.
Oh, it's nice, huh?
We found out. So, I finally returned back home, answered all these freaking phone calls and stuff like that. It's been busy. I can say that. So, as you guys can see, I did get my Z. I'm happy, I'm ecstatic about this car. It's everything I dreamed of. And I mean, I'm really speechless. I'm thankful. I'm glad I didn't give up. I'm glad I had people in my corner that told me not to give up. So I'm definitely big shout out to you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, this would not be possible at all because you guys made it happen. So thank you guys so much. Thank you for following my channel. Thank you for subscribing. And let's get ready for what's to come with this car. It's gonna be amazing. So stick with me on this journey. I promise you. We're gonna have some mods coming to it soon. We gotta have some link ups, some car meets to go to, all the works. So right now I'm actually on my way to go see some friends. I just went to see some family members, show them the car, give them a test drive, and I even let my niece drive my car. She just got her license not too long ago. So, you know, everyone loves it, you know. So I'm going right now to go see my boy Kel. We're gonna take him. We're gonna go see my boy Key. You guys know him from previous videos. Crazy Key that's always dancing and stuff like that. But that's what we're gonna do right now, so let's get straight to that. Get my boy. And your ass out the gate. My boy. Ah, what's good, yo? Alright, so before I end the video, I wanted to just thank a couple of important people that I feel like needed to be shouted out. These people I'm gonna name out, not saying excluding from anybody that I mess with, but these people helped me out in this little bit of time that I needed to get my car. So, and I needed it for, like, you know, as a birthday gift. So thank you guys. So I'm gonna start off with saying thank you to my bro Keon. Thank you to my boy James Patrick, aka Jimmy. Love you, bro. My little cousin Ja, my best friend Lona, Trey, I love you from RHB. My big bro Grizz, thank you so much. You helped me with a lot of stuff. You support me in a million ways, and for that, all I gotta do is say thank you. You know, I can't really put into words how thankful I am for you, so thank you so much. My brother Sandman from my airsoft team, thank you so much. Other than that, that was pretty much it. Those are the only people that really helped me out in this past week when I really needed to get this car, and they made it possible. I almost gave up on it, and I want to say, you know, like, for those people chasing their dreams, don't stop, because just because it might be like a speed hump in the way, don't stop. Just get it done, full speed. Like, whatever you got to do, just get it done. And that's pretty much all I can really say. You know, I can't leave out the most important people out of everybody. My Kage fam, thank you all so much. You guys non-stop showing support. I'm averaging, you know, crazy numbers from you guys. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, smash the like button. Go subscribe. Tell your friends, your sisters, your cousins, whatever. Tell them to subscribe. Hit that like button, bro. The more, the merrier. I can bring more content to you guys. That's my light on. Other than that, thank you, Kage fam. You guys do so much for me, and without you guys, I can't make any type of content, and that's what I'm really worried about now. I have something to bring more content to the channel. That's mostly what I wanted my Z for, but it's also been a dream car of mine for about 6 years now, and I finally got one, and I'm touched, bro. I'm just like really touched. Thank you to those people I named. You guys were a big help. Thank you, supporters. Thank you, Kage fam. Thank you to all the people I watch on YouTube, Low Tech, Z Blurry, Fresh Kicks, all you guys, the whole society fam. Thank you all. It's time for mods, baby. It's time for mods. But, you know, catch up on my bills and then I'll get there. But other than that, this is gonna wrap up the video. Thank you guys. If you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.